Welcome to One Chemistry. This is 365 Chemistry series. Daily one question for you. Here you have cyclooctane, which is with two double bond, and you have acid chloride and aluminum chloride. You have to guess what will be the final product. First step of the reaction, you are using aluminum chloride and acid chloride. It makes acyl cation. So it's a kind of acylation reaction. It attacks the double bond. Double bonds are electron rich. New CC bond happen. Then the bond shift happen. You have new bicyclic product. Here the driving force is large ring is relatively unstable due to the flexible sp3 carbons. So bonds are in the very much move. It's a very unstable. So the cation is there. Cation further quenched by chlorination. The concept we outlined here is acylation happen even in the alkene system. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching. If you have any suggestion, comment below.